everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Everybody's having a great day. I have an unboxing today, box like that. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. Got my blade. We're in. Let's see what we got today. Okay, got some bubble wrap. Got an invoice. Bubble wrap. Alright, we got some headphones. We got a iPad suite. Okay, want to save that.
I can't see with that thing up there.
What?
It's blocking the camera.
Oh, okay. Hi. Alright, we got a 2-in-1 Air keyboard. Pretty cool. That's pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. Alright, then we got the iPad Air in rose gold. Let's get the box out of the way here. Alright, $256. So that's pretty cool. And we got it in rose gold. So look at the packaging, it's kind of cool.
Oh yeah, really.
Alright, so it's the newest iPad Air. And we'll go ahead and see how that goes and give you an update on how it's working out. But I just thought that I would do a unboxing just to show you what we got today. And if you'd be so kind as to subscribe to my channel, because once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a Loungefly giveaway, Disney themed. Alright, and then make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. Thumbs up, ring the bell, and all that fun stuff. So until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.